refresh a filter data extension automatically. Let's understand with the scenario. Everybody has one or other birthday date. Everybody is born on some day. You might be subscribed to some communications. You might be getting birthday emails, anniversary emails from one or other company on your special occasion. So suppose I am a company named as Amazon. My subscriber base is 100 million. For example, now Amazon comes with a specialized offer, or you can say a loyalty program. What is a loyalty program? To give something back to the customer in some reward points, right? You might be having a credit card, you might be having some or other website subscriptions. They provide few loyalty points which you can redeem on your birthday. You get email on your birthday that makes you feel special. That is a strategy of a company to greet their customers and stay loyal with them as they are their loyal customers. Almost every company has a loyalty program. So inside this loyalty program, Amazon wants to send birthday greetings with 20% off coupon. Amazon wants to have a loyalty program where they will send birthday greetings with 20% off coupon. Now today, some out of this 100 million, suppose 500,000 people have birthday. Tomorrow again few people have birthday. Day after tomorrow again somebody will have birthday. And you can understand the data structure of Amazon's marketing cloud, where you can imagine there would be thousands and lakhs of data extensions built for different purposes. It is nearly impossible for Amazon to directly go and refresh this data extension manually every day. And the same case is here. Suppose Amazon tries to create a filter data extension to check how many people have birthday today. Then it might get few records. Then again tomorrow early morning at 10 a.m. they will refresh that data extension and then again manually send them the communication. Then again day after tomorrow. So they have to keep around 7-8 employees to do the same loyalty program deployments every day. There can be some public holiday, New Year, Holi, Diwali, Dashera, Christmas, any kind of public holiday. So they have to come towards an automation which is checking out how many people have birthday today and then sending them the birthday greetings on the go. That automation should do two things. The automation should do two things. One is auto filter today's birthday subscribers and send emails to the qualified subscribers with 20% off loyalty coupon. So this is the automation. If they are able to set, whether it is weekend, weekday, any type of day, they can easily manage this particular business use case. As we have already studied the complete email studio, now we have to think towards the automation. Developing emails are not your part, as we already discussed. Your part is to think strategically where you can identify an opportunity of automation and go and develop it. All these examples you have to tell in your interviews. If you give just straight away answers, nobody is going to select. You have to be very expressive, elaborative. So now how to solve this problem? So to auto filter today's birthday, we already know a mechanism of filter data extension. Definitely Amazon will use a contact based data model. They have a data extension. In that data extension, they might be storing birthday of few customers. They might be storing date of birth of few customers. As they are storing date of birth of few customers, you can filter out to understand how many people have birthday today. So the architecture you already know how to develop emails and send any kind of email using AMP script. You can develop HTML, CSS, you can develop and send. But the problem is how to solve this use case. There has to be an automation involved. So guys, what we will do is, first we will prepare a data. Now suppose we have new batch subscriber profiles. So let's add one more attribute here, date of birth. Now as this data extension is a part of our contact based data model, so we cannot add any extra attribute from Email Studio. But we already know that data extensions are the part of centralized data model, which is Contact Builder. And from Contact Builder, we can make necessary edits. So we'll go to Contact Builder. We'll go to Data Extensions. We will create an attribute from here, which is date of birth. Select a data type as date and click on create option. So now we have extra attributes like date of birth. Let's edit all these records and enter some date. For example, today is the so suppose today is 10/1/2024. So we will keep that date here. Few people have birthday today, suppose. Or what I can do is, instead of 2024, I can have 2004. Okay. Few people have birthday today. Few people might have birthday yesterday. 09/30. And few people might be having birthday tomorrow. Few people might be having on 2nd of October. So now we have created dates. Few people have birthday yesterday, few people will have birthday today, and few people will have birthday tomorrow. Now let me refresh it from here as well. So now all the dates are available here. Now one way is to create a manual filter data extension. and then keep on refreshing it every day and use that filter data extension to send email. Or the other way is to create a data filter. The other way is to create a data filter. Go to subscribers drop down and click on data filters option and click on create option. Select data extension from here and click on OK. Data filter, why we are doing is, data filter is a filter criteria only you save. It is different from a filter data extension. Filter data extension uses a filter criteria to derive records which you have to refresh manually. But data filters only stores filter criteria. It will not derive records. This data filter we will see how to automate to derive records every day for us. So we create a data filter, select the data extension on which we have to create a data filter. We have to create a data filter on new batch subscriber profile, where the filter criteria would be date of birth is anniversary. Okay, is anniversary of today. Anniversary means 1 year, 2 year, 3 year anniversary. Understand like that. We have defined date of birth is today. It will only look for date and month, would skip the year. Click on save option. So we have written new batch DOB data filter and saved this data filter. Now this is a data filter saved which is only having a filter criteria. We have not created any filter data extension, because the manual filter data extension we created is not having tendency to refresh itself automatically. Now to refresh this filter data extension automatically, we have to move to a new type of studio, which is automation studio. To automate things and processes in Salesforce Marketing Cloud, we use automation studio. Inside automation studio, what we will do, we will create a new automation. We will click on new automation, schedule. Suppose every day at 10 a.m. Amazon has to send birthday greetings. So every day at 10 a.m. starting suppose from tomorrow, 10 a.m. in the morning, Amazon wants to send birthday greetings. Select time zone. As we are in India, select Indian Standard Time. You will find Indian cities here. It will be Kolkata, Mumbai. Okay. And repeat every day. Automation has frequency to repeat daily. And never. We have scheduled this automation. What this automation will do? First, it will filter out the records who have birthday today. So we dragged and dropped filter, and inside this filter, we will click on new filter activity, define name of this filter activity, and search for the data filter, which you just saved here. Search for the data filter. Now, once this data filter is created, is selected, Automation Studio will create a new filter data extension which is known as resultant data extension, which has tendency to refresh itself automatically. So let's suppose we give the name of that data extension which Automation Studio will create on its own is birthday profiles auto filter. Birthday profiles auto filter. Click on next option and click on save. And if you go and look at the same folder where your data extension is present, profile, you will see that automation has already created a birthday profile auto filter data extension. Automation has already created a birthday profile data extension. Now, what happened? The second step is to send email. The second step is to send email. Once the filter will happen, system will get fresh records. So we will send email to this data extension because this data extension will refresh every day. This automation we have defined to repeat every day. Every day it will start. It will first check how many people have birthday today using the data filter. It puts the data inside this filter data extension, and this filter data extension is your sendable audience. So inside this, we will create a new email send activity. Quickly, we will open Chat GPT, create HTML CSS for birthday greetings email and offer 20% off on purchase as loyalty program. So it is asking to select a message here, but we don't have a message already created. So let ChatGPT create that message. Let me go to content option. So this is the birthday greeting email which we have created. Happy birthday is the subject line. So we have this email got created. What we will do, we will select the same email, click next, select send classification as commercial, click next, select the data extension. Now here data extension will be the filtered data extension, not the master data extension. Here the data extension will be auto filter data extension. Click next, next, check everything and save. Now earlier we were directly sending emails, but here we are saving the configuration. So now here we are saving the configuration. Now if we go and activate it, what will happen? Tomorrow morning 10 a.m. Indian time, this filter will run, will filter out fresh records, and birthday greetings will be sent. But to run it right away, click on pause option and click on run once. Select all activities and click on run. So now what will happen? This filter will start to run via the automation. This is a refresh button. Keep on refreshing to check when the automation starts. So automation has started. It is filtering out the records. Once the records are filtered out, you see records are filtered out, you can go and check if any records are filtered successfully or not. So new birthday profile auto filter. If you open this, automation studio has filtered out 2 records who have birthday today, 1st October, 1st October. They were born on 1st October 2024, 1st October 2021. The filter worked and these two have birthday today. So now automation has put these two data here, and the second step what it is being done is it is sending emails to those two records. And this is how we have successfully completed this mini project. We'll go and activate it. From tomorrow it will run automatically, and hence we have started the uses of auto